So let me see classes and objects in Java. So before we going to see about programming in classes and object, first let me see what is class. So class is a collection of data and function. The function will manipulate the data. So we can call data also called as data field, and function is otherwise also called as methods. So data, for example, what we call a data means when we take a student, we call ID, student age, student name, student year. These are called data members. So this is the structure of the class. So in this box, first is a class name, second one is data members, third one is member function. We already say as class is a collection of data members and member function. So let me see the example of this. So here I am taking the 4 example. Let me see first example. The first example, class name is student and the data member is name and grade, and the member function is get name and print grade. So likewise the other classes explain the same way. So circle, soccer player, car, these are all classes. So now we see the example of this. So this is the example of Java program by using classes and object. So here my class name is classes underscore object. So I am having a 3 data members, that is name, role, mark, and 1 functions void display is the member function, and I am having the main function. So my data members is manipulated in member function, that is void display. So in main function only I am going to call a class data members and member function by using or by creating the object of the class. So when we create the object of the class, it will automatically create the instance of the classes. By using object, we can call the datas and member function in outside of the class. So here my class name is classes underscore object. So I am creating an object for that class. So in this Java file, my main function and other function will be in the same program. So I am creating an object for classes underscore object. So my first object name is obj1, that is the object 1. So object 1 will call the member function display. So by using obj1 dot display, so this particular function having a 3 parameters. First one is string, second one is integer, third one is double. So based on that you have to pass the parameters value. So it will call, so just make a run of it. So it will display the output for these object. So here I created a 3 object and calling 3 times. So it will, based on that it will display the output. So let me see. If you want to add one more parameters, for example, so I want to add a CGPA of a particular student. So CGPA data type is double. So I am giving double space CGPA. My CGPA is a variable. So here I am going to print that variable and value. So system.out.println. So in that I am changing the CGPA. My variable name is CGPA. So I am giving a CGPA. So in calling I have to change it. So I am giving a value of the CGPA 7.8. So here I am giving 9.6. .6. So just run the program. So it will display the output. So every student having a 4 parameters name,